Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get straight to it. In today's video you will find out how the price of Bitcoin has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and MACD are showing. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Taking a look at the hourly time frame for Bitcoin, it can be seen that the price went down with around 2.0% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 36,398. However, the volume wasn't especially high, so this move wasn't very strong. Jumping to the hourly simple moving averages, the price broke the 100 SMA to the downside, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. At the moment, the price is between the 20 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 36,320, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA that is at 36,525 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. It's important to note that currently the price is below the 200 SMA, which is normally a strong resistance. A potential move upwards, however, could be signaled if it were to break decisively upwards. Moving to the hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is below the hourly ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 36,562. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Usually, when the price moves to the side, the ribbon is less reliable. Moving to the hourly MACD, the MACD line is above the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the upside. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong, and it could be expected the price to go further to the upside. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the current price is between the 100 and the 20 SMA. If the price bounces off the 100 SMA, which is currently at 36,229, it could be seen as a support, and the 20 SMA that is at 36,536 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Pointedly, the current price is above the 200 SMA, which is perceived as a strong support. Nevertheless, if there were to be a decisive downward dip, it will signal a possible big move down. For longer price development, the daily time frame should also be considered, as the shorter time frames are not as accurate. Moving to the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price went below the 3-hourly ribbon, so you should see if the price can jump back above the ribbon, or it will play as a resistance to the upside, currently at around 36,506. Moving to the 3-hourly MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. But it's expected for the price to remain the same for some time because the MACD histogram shows that the momentum at the moment is shifting upwards. You should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish. Moving to the daily simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is above all of the simple moving averages, which looks bullish, and you should watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, could remain stable, or the price will dip below it, with the current price of around 35,676. Looking at the daily exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is above the daily ribbon, which can be perceived as bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support. This means that you should watch if the price could bounce off the ribbon. The current price to watch is around 32,521. The ribbon is spread out, so the support should be strong. Looking at the daily MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. We can expect for the price to continue going down, or perhaps remain at least stable, because the MACD histogram shows the momentum currently being strong. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, Keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions, as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.